Hi, Nathan Honess speaking, and I thought I'd just do a quick little video just to give you a little bit of an insight of something that you may want to have to take all the guesswork out of your training and out of parts of your nutrition, and that is the DNA test. Honestly, it's the DNA test which has changed me just obviously second guessing what I'm doing, and I strongly recommend having it. But I'm going to give you a few little bits which has really helped me enhance my training and take the guessing out of everything. So let's start with the workouts itself. So I know I've got high recovery and also my affirmation is pretty low. That means to me that I could train more often knowing that I'm going to recover really quick. So that's really helped me. I also know my strength to weight ratio of my DNA is really good. So I also know I tend to be very good at body weight training and also doing lots of stuff like calisthenics, which I've just got into. And that's been heavily encouraged by knowing the results from this. There's lots of other stuff. Nutrition-wise, I know I've got a high probability of being vitamin D deficient in the winter. So I know that I need to be extra cautious of maybe taking vitamin D on that part of the season. But to be honest with you, I will take that anyway with certain supplements I take, using the biosynergy, of course. And there's so much more. You really want to be doing this test because, like I said, you won't regret it, and you'll just learn about your body and learning about how you can improve your results in the future. So be sure to check it out on their site. Highly recommended by myself, Nathan Honess. Speak to you soon.